Hello, here is the question for you. The phenomenon of evolution of different species in a given geographical area starting from a point and spreading to other habitat is called. That means the evolution happens of a certain species in a particular point, a particular area, and after some time they spread to different direction or to different habitats, and this process is called as, that the species here, let's this area, okay, the species are evolved this area, after some time they spread to different habitats which are located in different directions. Okay, that means they radiate from one origin or to where the point where they evolve and spread to different areas for their survival, because in one place, though population will grow, there is competition for food, shelter. Okay, to reduce this competition and survival of the species, they spread to different regions or areas rather than living in their origin or the location where they evolve. This process is called as adaptive radiation. Okay, adaptive radiation, because they radiate from a single point to different habitat. Okay, adaptive radiation. For example, one good example is adaptive radiation, that is Darwin's finches. Okay, Darwin's finches. Here, and the correct option is option number 4. That is adaptive radiation. Okay, I'm writing the answer which I explained. Okay. Answer is evolution of different species in a given geographical area and spreading to other habitats is called adaptive radiation. Okay, adaptive radiation. A good example is Darwin's finches. Darwin's finches. So this is the correct answer and its explanation. Let's see the other options. Here, other options it has given saltation. So let's explain saltation. Saltation is nothing but the mutation, that is sudden change in gene, not a gradual change. Okay, yeah, and it was proposed by Hugo de Vries. Okay. Saltation is mutation resulting new species. Hugo de Vries proposed the saltation. The saltation. It is a sudden change. It is a sudden change in the gene of a species which gives rise to different species from the wild type. Okay, this is also known as mutation theory. Mutation theory or saltation theory. Okay, saltation theory. Yes. Mutation theory or saltation theory. Now let's see the next option. Here, the next option is coevolution. Coevolution is you can guess from its name. That is coevolution. That means evolution of two species simultaneously or parallelly, and they are impacting with each other's evolution. That is called as coevolution. Yeah, and good example is the flower and its pollinator. Coevolution is the evolution of two species simultaneously and they impact one another. Okay, one another. Example is the flower and its pollinator. The flower and pollinators are evolved in such a way that they can carry out the pollination successfully, so that fruits would be formed. Okay. Now the next option is here saltation has done, coevolution, then natural selection. Natural selection means nature selects the more fittest organism, or adoption occurs according to the nature. That's called as natural selection. Natural selection is a process when the species are better adapted to their environment. And they reproduce more. Okay, so that more fit organism will be formed. Reproduce more. Therefore, okay. Hence, the correct option. This is all about the natural selection. Good example is color change in paper moth. Okay, paper moth. Yeah, paper moth. Hence, the correct answer is option 4, that is adaptive radiation. Adaptive radiation. Okay, this is all about the answer and explanation of the question. Yeah, I have. This is the question here, and these are the answers. You can see it. Okay. I think you understood now. I'm sorry. Thank you for watching. Bye.